and I'm with Becca.
Hey.
Nicole. And I'm in the back of Becca's Bug. And we are headed down to Illinois, about 40 minutes from Chicago, so Becca can get her eyebrows microbladed. And I'm interested to see what it's all about because I've never seen it, and what I thought it was, it's not what it actually is. So
What is that?
I don't know. I thought it was like you know, like the Chinese people in the mall have like the thread, and they like a threading people's eyebrows.
Yeah.
Like that's what I thought it was, but it's not. It's like a tattoo kind of thing. So it'll be fun to watch. I won't have to be in panic watch somebody else in pain. And then okay, and then I think we're gonna stop at Chick-fil-A on the way down. And oh, Nicole is excited about that. So, and I think we're gonna try to film a Q&A, so I'll bring you guys along with us. Finally made it. We're going to Chick-fil-A. Nicole's vlogging too. We're in Gurney. Next stop, wherever Mexican is. It's Scott. We got our Chick-fil-A. I got a breaded chicken sandwich. That's what you got too. She got a grilled chicken. What do you need Aquaphor for, Becca?
Put on top of my eyebrows after they get. You know they have.
Oh, it's on sale. All the Christmas decor. So we're just passing Chicago O'Hare Airport. It's probably one of the bigger airports. Like,
Yeah.
And Atlantis, or not Atlantis, Atlanta.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's a lot of international flights. Like we went to Peru and we went to Mexico. We flew out of O'Hare. So.
Yeah. Flew out Africa. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but we had to stop
We
somewhere.
stopped in LAX, didn't we?
No, why would we go to LA? Why would you shoot across the country and then go down?
Yeah, I don't know either.
I think no, we stopped in Texas. I'm pretty sure somewhere.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, we did Atlanta. Yeah, because I was like,
Atlanta's like a big hub.
Here.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. Okay, sorry, but when I went to other places internationally too, that's where we went, and like other places like Florida and California. Now we're just like in a scary area, so we're hoping that the Lady Salon
We have 8 minutes
is
to get out.
nice because right now it's a little sketchy.
It was like all of Chicago. I did too. I don't know. It's a commitment for sure.
Let's do a before.
These are my befores.
Look at me too.
They are sad. They're not very
that
shapely.
bad,
I mean, I have some hair there, but the shape and I don't know. They're a little light, I think, for my hair color.
You're gonna have to do an updated review for us on how the recovery goes.
I heard the healing process is really disgusting. Like your eyebrows will like peel off, and then it won't look like you even have them, and then it'll heal over and it'll be fine. But yeah, so I have to go in public with my like eyebrows basically peeling off my face. So
Oh, cool.
yuck.
It's for a hat.
Okay,
But-
so
Hopefully it's working.
your appointment is in like 15 minutes, so we should go in there.
Yeah,
I'll
there's-
vlog and show you guys the salon if it's really cute.
Yeah, I will too. She's actually, I think it's the same lady. She's actually doing somebody's that look like it.
Yeah, we
right
saw
there,
her when
so.
we pulled in.
Yeah. So it's just like in this like little building. So nice. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Feels warmer here actually. We're in like this neighborhood.
Okay, so this is the girl's name. Oh,
Oh, look at that.
it's here.
I'm stuck. It's really warm here. It's nice because it was cold. How do you feel? Nervous. Lidocaine. That's what we do at the dental office when we give people shots in their mouth.
Does it feel like anything yet? I just want to scratch it off. Does it like tickle? No.
Zero Gomez. So then she fixed them, but she has really oily skin, so it didn't like hold, you know. So like, I think it like lifts off your skin or whatever, you know.
And if they're not like, so there's also like different pigments and stuff. Like,
Yeah.
so the ones I'm using, I'm so makeup and stuff or what?
All kinds of stuff.
Like vlogs. I don't know. We like did
Oh,
a vlog
sweet.
today.
Oh, just like
Did a
exploring the
Q&A.
area?
Oh yeah.
Just I don't know, random
We're from
stuff.
small cities, so this is amazing to us.
Maybe if it
Oh, we will.
feels like I don't even know.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Does it just feel like getting unplugged kind of? You know how like this that little.
No.
People say kind of similar to threading is like what people have said.
I've never.
It's kind of like if you were to pluck your eyelid. She's
That's the same thing for the
I would like
eyelash.
think of this, you know what I mean?
Oh,
Like,
right.
oh, let's just cut into people's skin.
Does it make you want to get it?
You guys should know because I feel like my eyebrows aren't that bad.
Yeah,
Like-
that's how I feel about mine.
It's like for being blonde.
I don't color them in or
yeah,
anything.
Yeah,
So,
both of you
I
have
just-
good.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't even really
It's a lot of
color
work.
mine in that much.
Yeah, I never have it unless she's done it for me.
I don't even know at what point I started filling in my eyebrows. I was thinking about that the other day. It's like,
I was
what?
like in like 8th grade.
This is my first time being at an IKEA. I've never been to one before. But they have one in Milwaukee, but I guess it's maybe not as big. So I'm excited to go inside. We can maybe take some pictures. Becca got her eyebrows done, can't see them, but how was the experience?
It hurt a little.
It looked like it hurt.
I was crying a little bit.
The girl was really nice though. She was fun. Alright. There you go, it's rustic. There's some. I don't know, I think it's cool. Like the wood.
Guys, I just got my eyebrows done. They look really good. They're kind
Yeah,
of
they
harsh
look
right
good.
now because it's like fresh ink, so it'll like fade a little bit. So at the beginnings it looks kind of like boxy, but it'll fade.
Yeah,
So it'll
they look
look like
good.
really natural later. Thanks.
Yeah,
I love them.
Yeah, and the girl was really cute.
Best
Nice.
investment ever.
So we went to Jamba Juice for dinner-ish. It was really cute. Well, you can't tell. It's a cute area, and I got just like the classic like acai bowl, and then Rebecca
I
got
got the almond butter bowl, I think it's called.
that looks good, and Nicole got the peachy green. I have never tried that one before, but pretty good.